Hi guys, it's Mrs. Davis. All right, so another thing we can do with Google Drawings, I know the list just goes on and on and on, is we can use it for graphic organizers. And in fact, we can even use it for collaborative graphic organizers. So first off, let me show you how to put one together. I'm just going to use my shape tools, and I'm going to use this kind of rounded off rectangle. And I'm going to change the color because it's boring like that. Green's pretty. Okay, and so then I'm going to copy and paste a few of those and just sort of line them up around. Now I'm a little nutty, and so I like to use these red lines that show me that these are directly beneath each other. Because it bugs me when they're not. So directly beneath there and directly lined up with that one. I know, I'm nuts. And let's put one in the middle. Where's the middle? There's the middle. All right. Check these ones. Good. Good. All right. So now, this guy seems, since he's the center, we'll make it a slightly different color. There we go. And let's give it a time. Now remember, any shape is automatically a text box, so I can just go ahead and type right into this. So let's say that we want to do a graphic organizer about goats. All right, and so I can label this. I can, there we go. So this is going to be all about goats, and what do we know about goats? We're going to say dairy, there we go, and we're going to say meat, and it's kind of the only two categories. Let's see, and then we'll say bucks. Those are the boys. And does. Those are the girls. All right, now, here's the cool thing about connecting them. If I go over here to my line tool, it automatically has some connectors built in. Elbow connector, curve connector. Use whichever one you want. I'm going to go ahead and use the curve connector this time. Now, when I come over here, notice how when I mouse over this one, you get those purple dots. If I click near the purple dot, it's going to connect there. Now, when I get close to this one, it's going to find that purple dot and automatically snap right to it. If I went over here, it's going to find that purple dot and snap to it. If I go over here, it's going to snap right into that place. So it's already built for graphic organizers. So if I do that for each of these, do it like that. Now, the cool thing is if for some reason I want to move things around, but I don't want to lose my connections, because of these smart connectors, if I move my center piece, it stays connected. All right? So, if for some reason, let's say that one's a little goofy, we'll put this one in here. We'll move these around a little, just for kicks. Snap. Everybody's got a different one. And then I move and stretch it. You can see those lines stretching with it. So, just a cool way to do a graphic organizer. You can do other types, such as Venn diagrams. Get my circle. I copy that and paste one, overlap them, set my transparency. I'm going to give it a little color here. Go over here to custom, set my transparency. Set my transparency. And now we've got a Venn diagram that we can insert some text boxes in there. So we can compare dairy and meet, and of course in here then we would have both. So then you can type in these boxes to create your graphic organizer. Now if I want to share that with someone and work collaboratively, I can go over here to share. Got to give it a name, graphic organizers. And now it gives me the option to share with a friend. But I want to make sure they can edit so they can actually make some changes to it. All right, so I want you to take a few minutes and experiment with creating graphic organizers that you might actually use in a class. All right, so have some fun with it.